Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to hide your inventory and badges in Roblox. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in roblox.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Roblox, or instead of that, you can also open the Roblox application if you want. Once the Roblox has been opened, click on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, settings. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface of Roblox. You'll be able to access the settings options from here. Initially, account info option will be selected. At left, you'll be able to find various other options like security, privacy and content restrictions, notification, payment methods, etc. Simply click on the third option, privacy and content restrictions. Now after that, you'll be led to the privacy and content restrictions interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for trading and inventory and click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the trading and inventory interface. You'll be able to find the option for inventory visibility over here. Right now everyone is selected. If you want no one to see it and if you want to hide it, what you have to do is click on this option, no one. Once you do that, you can simply go back. The settings will be updated. Now after you do that, your inventory and badges will not be visible to anyone. So that is how you hide your inventory and badges in Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.